Hi there, it's Miss Mason here, and today we're going to be learning how to make a rainbow. You'll need a piece of paper and either markers or crayons, something that is really colorful. Go ahead and pull out your markers so you can see all the wonderful colors. We're going to be using almost all these colors to create a rainbow. Rainbows happen in a certain order. And it starts by making a big semicircle or a big curve to make the start of the rainbow. The first color or the biggest arc is going to be red. Go ahead and grab your red or marker or crayon, and we're going to start on the far left side, and we're going to make a big arc all the way around, all the way up to the top. Bring it all the way back down. This is going to be the start of our rainbow. If you're using crayons, you might need to make a second line, or you might need to shade in your curve just a little bit thicker so that way it's easy to see. In fact, if you're using markers, go ahead and draw some lines and shade in your red arc to go ahead and make it a little bit thicker, because we're going to be using this to make a craft tomorrow. So the first color in a rainbow is red. It's the first color you see. So like I said, I'm going to make another smaller curve and shade it in. I'm staying very carefully inside the lines, trying to make this big curved shape for our rainbow. A curve like this is called a semicircle. It's not a full circle all the way around, it's just half. Go ahead and put the lid on your marker or put your crayon away. And the next color that comes next after red is orange. Orange is our next color. Go ahead and draw a curve right inside of the red curve. And go all the way around to create that curve and shade it in. Wow, check out these two colors next to each other. Orange is a little bit lighter than red. It's a good mix of red and yellow. So what color do you think is going to be next? If orange is a mix of red and yellow, do you think yellow is going to be next? I think so too. Look at this beautiful curve that we're coloring here. So far, we have a red arc and an orange arc. They are curved all the way around. Very good. All right. The next color we talked about. We have red, orange, and then yellow. Yellow is our next curve. Go ahead, start on the left side and make a big curve inside the red and the orange, and then shade it in. Just like so. Do your best to have good craftsmanship and stay inside the lines. Very good job. All right. So we're coloring the inside of the curve. How do we get a rainbow? Do rainbows happen inside or outside? Rainbows happen outside from the sun. Our next color is going to be green. Green is our next color. The green colored is going to go right after the yellow. So create another big curve and shade it in the color green. Green goes after yellow to make a rainbow. And I'm going to shade it in just like so. Rainbows happen outside. Rainbows usually occur after it's been really rainy and then the sun comes out. It creates a rainbow high up in the sky in the clouds. All right, we have our green. And next is blue. Blue is the next color in our rainbow. Go ahead, go around on the inside of our green and shade it in. All right, our arcs are getting smaller and smaller because there is so much space, or there's not a lot of space left after we have all the other colors. Go ahead and shade in your blue arc. And last but not least, after blue comes purple. Color your purple arc on the inside of your blue arc. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Those are the colors that make a rainbow. Wow, I'm so impressed at your hard work. If you need to go ahead and take this time to finish up coloring your wonderful rainbow. We will be using our rainbow drawing tomorrow, so while you're drawing, make sure the lines are thick for our craft that we're going to be doing tomorrow. Go ahead and snap a picture, and I will see it on Flipgrid.